Welcome back to InFlow Technologies, a day in the life PDM administrator series. Today, I'm going to be walking you through updating your SQL password in both the archive server and database server configuration tools. Changing passwords is a common part of IT protocols. We want to keep them up to date and keep our data secure. SQL is the database behind PDM, and the components of PDM need access to it for the system to function. I'm starting with the archive server tool. There are two places we can define our login for SQL. First, we'll update the default SQL login for the vaults. Under Tools, go to Default Settings. Here on the Login tab, we have our login information for how we will log into the vault, the credentials for the admin user, and our SQL login credentials. Let's click Change under the SQL Login section. Now we need to enter in a SQL user login that has a minimum of DB owner access to the database. Typically, we will use SA for this. Enter in the updated password and click OK to confirm the change to the default SQL credentials. Of course, not every vault will use the default login. We may use different users for different vaults for security purposes. To change those vaults individually, we'll expand out the server and go to the properties of the vault we need to change. Under the login, same as before, we need to change the login credentials. First, we're going to uncheck Use Default SQL Login. Now, same as before, we'll update the username and password. In this case, I'm going to cancel out and keep what I already have for the default. Finally, we need to update the credentials in the database server tool. Simply open the tool and change the username and password associated with the SQL database. Click OK to confirm the change. Now we've updated our passwords, and logging into the vault should be no problem at all. Be sure to check out the other videos in our Day in the Life series. There's a lot to learn, and we're excited to be going through this with you.